Namaste guys, Master Praveen here, and I hope and I wish that you all are doing great and you all are doing your yoga practice every day. This is the very most important thing in our life. So that you are doing yoga so that you can get the peaceful life, you get the healthy life, you can get the happy life, which is very required in these days. And you are also spreading the yoga awareness in everywhere, in your all the family, your friends, your relatives, in your all the community. That is very important right now. So here I am to give you my next update that in the next month in November from 11 to 16 I am traveling to Philippines. So this will be a 6 days intensive yoga teacher training. That will be 40-hour yoga teacher training, and this is the 6 days yoga program. So yoga program also, like day 1 to day 6 we designed this program. So basically this training course is focus on the asana alignment. Of course we will be cover also some initial part which is belong to the yoga, because yoga is not only source with the asana. This is a very broad area. So we will be cover just a small part in the asana. So we have all 6 days the yoga program. Like the day 1 we will be cover some sun salutations and its variations, ABC. Then we will be cover warrior series and the triangle series. Then we will be cover upper back and the shoulder series and the posture. We will be cover lower back and the hip opening series. Will be cover the twisting. We will be cover the balancing and the arm balancing series. So every day we are designing some program. So every day you have some chance to learn something new, some small techniques. Because when we are doing the practice, especially if I talking about the asana, so small things we need to be understand, like how to come in the posture, how to be in the posture, how to get out from the posture, and need to base on the alignment, the technique, the modification, the adjustment, the variations and the options, because we all have the different body and the different flexibility, different strength, different concept. So according to that I will design this program so that everybody can take the maximum benefit from this course. And another thing that we are organizing this event in the Philippines, and the city name is Cebu city. That is a very wonderful and the beautiful city. So I will update you about the address here. That is the company name, the yoga studio name is the Love Yoga World, and the address is 11th floor, Skyrise 2 Tower IT Park, Lahug, Cebu City, Philippines. I will also give you all the details about the address, the phone number, whom you need to be contact, and the email. Like you have any query, you can directly call to this person. The contact person is Miss Maricel and Miss Mary. I will give you all the number of that. Miss Mary is the owner and she is taking care and she is organizing this event. Such a very beautiful and such a very nice lady. And another thing, this will be the training will be also give the certificate from the Yoga Alliance USA. The certificate will be under the YACEP program. So the certificate will be also valid under the Yoga Alliance USA. So you can use this certificate if you already had the Yoga Alliance certificate. So onto that you can also add these hours in your program. So I wish to see you there. If somebody is living in the Philippines, somebody nearby the Philippines who are intent to join this training course, so please as soon as try to be contact with a person, so that you have whatever query you have, you can get your answer and you can take the decision as soon you can. So thank you very much guys. Take good care, be healthy, be happy, and remember, do your yoga practice every day. Very important. Take care. Thank you so much.